Good morning, Stephanie from Always in Stitches. We in the sewing department have decided to do some videos on different feet that are available on each of our machines. Today we're starting with the very basic zigzag foot, which is also the A foot. If you can see, all of the feet have a letter in that part of the foot. The A foot has a full opening, so you can do zigzag or you can do straight stitch. The unique part about the A foot is the back. See the grooves? The grooves help direct your thread straight depending on where your needle is. So not everyone realizes that the A foot has a different back than, say, the F foot that's made for decorative stitches. So that's something we wanted to point out, that the reason why that foot was made the way that it is because it helps direct the fabric to give you a better stitch. The other thing that it has is this little black button on the side. This button will lock the foot horizontal when it's pushed in. When you come to one of those thicker seams that you seem to have a problem getting over, when you hit those seams, a lot of times the machine, the foot just pivots and doesn't go any further. But when you get to that thickness, you just push this in and it will hold the foot parallel, so we'll go over those thicknesses. I'm going to demonstrate how, when you get to thicknesses like this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers of denim here. So with the A foot black button engaged, when you get to that thickness, it will go right up over it. So the key is start stitching. When you get to that spot, right where the foot hits the thickness, can you see how it's pivoted a little bit? I'm going to raise it and I'm going to lock that in. And now it's locked. It's not pivoted, so it's going to go up and over those thicknesses without any problem. Like I said, when you get to this spot right here and the needle is lowered into it before you get to all of these thicknesses, it won't pivot, it will go right up and over. Let's see if we can't get it to happen one more time, so you can see how the foot is pivoting. See how the foot is going up and it's not straight? We want it to be straight, so I'm going to lock that foot straight. So that foot is locked, it's not going to pivot up and down and go right over that thickness without any problem at all. Otherwise, the foot will pivot like this when it gets to that thicker fabric, and then it just stitches in the same spot because it can't go up and over. This button actually locks it so that it won't pivot when it's locked. You have to set it just right. You've got to be right there where that thickness starts, and that's where you want to push the black button in and lower the foot, and then it's locked in. I hope that helps. And all of you Janome owners that have different feet on your machines, we started with the basic. We wanted to let you know that A foot does more than just a straight stitch, that is specifically designed to help guide the thread through, depending on what side of the needle is on, middle, left, or right, to help guide it to make the stitches straighter. And the little black button is to lock and keep it horizontal when it goes over the extra thicknesses. So if you're making bags, don't forget that foot will do it, and that's what you should use when you're dealing with really heavy seams. I hope that helps. Have a great day. This is the beginning of the feet, so you'll be seeing Kathy and Jessica doing different feet as the weeks go on, but we want to do this on a weekly basis. So we hope you enjoy it and have learned something that you didn't know before. Thanks. Bye.